Good afternoon, all. Up till now, we have learned that how we can write a user-defined function in Python, how can we return a value, how recursion can be used, what is global variable, and all. Now, continuing to this, today we'll be saying that how we can use different classes which are having various inbuilt functions defined within the Python library so that our work become easier. And this is one of the feature of Python which has made Python such a demanding language, because it has so many libraries, so many inbuilt functions which we can use in our program to deal with. So today we will see one of the class, that is a math class, a math library, and how we can use different functions which are given in this math class. There are various functions. We will be seeing some of the functions today. So the first statement to include any class, any library is called import. We write the keyword import, and after import the name of the class is given, for example math. So in this program we'll be seeing different functions which are associated with this class math. So the first statement is import math. Then using the input function, we take a number which has been converted into an integer, and it has been taken as an input from the user. Now there are different functions in math library. For example, as soon as we click math dot, these many functions which it supports, it will open itself, and we can scroll down and choose whatever function we want to take. For example, floor, gamma, gcd, is finite, log10, power, radians, sqrt, truncate. There are so many functions which are there, and we can choose the functions from just by writing math dot. So now we have already made a program to make the thing simpler. Now as you can see, the first line uses the function sqrt. Sqrt is used to give the square root of the number. We will take an input from the user and find the square root of the number. The second function is pow, which is taken, which is called power. So if we want to compute 2 to the power 3, so number to the power whatever power you want to convert. Ceiling is a function which will give the integer which is greater than which is written in decimal, so it will convert it into the upper limit. For example, 7.1 would be converted into 8. Similarly, flooring is a function which will downgrade the decimal number to the lower integer. This is a logarithmic function which will convert into a log. This is an exponential function which says e to the power x. A sine which returns sine 30 in radians, cos of any number in radians, then convert degree into radians, and directly we can find the factorial of a number by putting the function math dot factorial. There are other functions also, but to start with, these are some of the basic functions which you can try after watching this video. And the method is very simple. Just by writing import math, all the functions come ready in your program. So for example, if I run this code and I enter a number, say 8, so it finds out the square root of 8, then it gives 8. It finds out the square root of 8, then it gives 8 to the power 3. 8 8 is 64, 64 3 is 512. Then it gives the ceiling of 7.1, then it gives the flooring of 8.9, then it gives the log 10 of 100, then e to the power 3, then sine 30 converted into radians, similarly cos 10, then what is 180 degree is equals to radians, and what is factorial of 5. So this is how this program works, and we can use a math library. Similarly, there are other libraries also which we'll be talking in the coming videos. So keep on watching these videos and explore more and more of Python. Thank you.